Guys, I just want to understand why Destiny doesn't like chin chin but she likes stockfish. It's not making sense to me in my brain. So first of all, can you take a moment for my hair? My hair has gotten so long. And everything you've got done destroy. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another week in my life. So today is Monday, December 14th. It's the week after finals, which I'm so happy about. You guys, I literally haven't posted in probably like 2 or 3 weeks. Not necessarily because I did want to post, but literally there was no time. Like, I was either studying for a final, or I was taking a final, or I was finishing work up for the semester. So there was literally no time for me to upload, and so I haven't uploaded or filmed anything. You guys don't understand the type of joy that I felt when I closed that last final. I was like, I'm free. I'm literally free. So I have like 4 or 5 weeks off before my classes start back again, which is really, really nice. I'm about to go to the bank, and then I'm probably going to go to the Coach outlet. I don't know which one I'm going to go to yet, but yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. All right, guys, I just got home and ate. I was watching Miss Aaliyah J, her everyday makeup routine, but I want to show you guys what I ended up exchanging that, like, I want to show you guys what I got from Coach. So the name of the thing that I had before, if you guys were interested, is the skinny mini ID blah blah blah. It would focus. Okay, so this is what I exchanged it for. It's like, it's coming up white on camera, but in real life it's like an off-white cream color, but it's like this quilted card holder, and it's really soft. It's like lambskin and has the brown inside, which I really like. So yeah, this is what I exchanged it for. I'm really happy I got this. This one's flat, so yeah. What's up, guys? So it's still Monday, and it's like 8 o'clock at night, and I was going through my stuff, and I desperately need a revamp. I've revamped my clothes like 3 times this year, but no, like seriously, because I feel like if you want to start like addressing like the style you have in your head, you have to start with what you have and just getting rid of stuff that you're not gonna wear. So I've already donated a huge bag to Goodwill, but here's my donate pile so far. Like, why the hell do I have so many striped things? I remember like junior year, striped stuff was super in season. Like, is 21-year-old Adrana gonna wear this? Probably not. And so I'm getting rid of all that stuff, and then I'm deciding what needs to be constituted as homeware, so I don't always look so ugly when I'm at the house. And I'm like going through my things. Like, I'm still iffy about a few things, but I'm like really going through my stuff and seeing what needs to be gotten rid of and what needs to be kept. So yeah, I'll update you guys. And I also got rid of most of my bags. You guys can see, if you guys ever watched my room tour, I used to have literally like 20 bags up there. Now I have like, what is that, 6? Obviously, like, I want to replace some of them, and I'm selling a whole bunch. So yeah, I'm getting rid of a whole bunch of those too. I pretty much already cleaned out my shoes, but yeah, because I'm not about to keep dressing like I'm still in high school, because it's very disgusting. Except for this flame shirt. I think this flame shirt is really cool. I'm gonna keep it. But yeah, I'll update you guys as we're going, because this is a lot right now. Hi guys, so today's Saturday. I literally haven't vlogged since Monday when I started this vlog, and basically I just really haven't been doing anything other than going to work, honestly, and I haven't had anything to vlog. I think that's a huge difference in me being home. Like, there's not really as much to do. But anyways, today I'm about to go get my nails done. I've only ever gotten my nails done like twice in my life. You guys know I do like my own gel nails. I've been meaning to film a tutorial on that, but I just haven't gotten around to it yet. And so I don't know, I took my nails off last night, and my nails have been super brittle and breaking, so I feel like I need like a stronger gel so they can like strengthen up a little bit and stuff like that. And I think I'm just gonna get white. I never, like, the first 2 or 3 times I got my nails done professionally, I never got the color that I came in wanting, because they didn't have it or they convinced me to get something else. I'm done with that. So I'm about to go to this nail shop by my house, figure it out. I'm about to go to the nail salon right now, and I'll show you guys my nails when they're done. Okay, I'm gonna talk to you guys from behind the steering wheel. I just wanted to come on here and update you guys. So the girl who did my nails was so nice. This is called if you ever go to Christine's Salon Nails and Spa in Katy, ask for Emmy. She was so good. Girl, let me show you my nails. I feel like it's kind of hard to see in this lighting. Maybe I'll film it on my phone. This is what they look like. I got like white, but with I guess like pink, not pink, holographic glitter on top, and they look so good and clean. This is the thing about having other people do your nails versus doing it by yourself. Like, I would never be able to get my nails this clean. She did have to cut them though, because a few of my nails broke, because I told you guys they've been so brittle, but this gel feels really good. She gave me a hand massage after. Girl. Okay, so that's like what the glitter looks like. It's really cute. What's up, guys? So today is Sunday. So first of all, can we take a moment for my hair? My hair has gotten so long. I have it in like a puff right now. You guys know I like cornrow my hair under my wig, and so I just took the braids out, and it's like my hair was blow dried and trimmed before my hair was blow dried and trimmed in my last vlog. I don't know if y'all saw it, like my holiday vlog, and so I guess that's why my hair is looking so nice. But I just literally just took it out of the braids, and I did that last night. I was supposed to wash it last night, but I ended up filming a hair video, and so I'm probably gonna wash it tonight. And I really don't want to because it looks so good, but I have to because it's literally filthy. So tomorrow I have class. I'm going back to Austin on Tuesday. So yeah, honestly, I just came on camera to show y'all my hair. That's really the reason I turned this camera on right now. And oh yeah, I got 2 more piercings. I think I recorded a clip on my phone from when I got my ears pierced, but I'll tell you guys the whole story another day. I'm just trying to go to the dollar store right now. Guys, I just pulled up, well, I'm almost pulled up at my old high school to get my yearbook. The fucking memories, it's so disgusting. I hate it here. Not me almost hitting the car. Bro, the way the school is quiet right now, like it's literally 3:20. If you had come at like 3 o'clock like last year, this place would be packed. Everyone's a freaking senior and stuff. Freaking, oh, was I supposed to enter through there? Everyone's a senior trying to go get pizza or something after school. Everyone got a car because it's the freaking suburbs. Like, hello. Is that the line to get a yearbook? There's no way. All right, let me get this damn yearbook. Why do I feel like I just made the wrong turn? That's kind of rude of me, but I definitely took a wrong turn. Shit, I don't know how to get around this damn school anymore. Hold on, y'all. Let me focus on driving. Hi, guys. So I'm back in Austin. As y'all can see, I'm back in my dorm. I actually felt like so nostalgic being back on campus, even though I was only gone for 2 months. But I brought all my hair stuff, so I'll show y'all my new setup later. But my friend Justin is coming over now, actually, and I'm really excited to see him because I haven't seen anybody, literally anybody, since like 2 weeks before I left. Except for me. This is where you B-cut to me. Actually, I decided I don't want you to be in my videos anymore. I'm just kidding. You want to say hi? Hi. Okay, now you B-cut back to yourself. Anyways, so yeah, I haven't seen anybody since like 2 weeks before I left. I was literally like the last person to leave campus. Everybody was gone before me, and I was so lonely here by myself. And now that everyone's back, like they already have like, let me not even say it, but anyways, Justin's coming. I'm excited to see him. Guys, look at this place that Justin took me to eat. It's like traffic and shit.
Why do we look like tourists?
Like we don't literally go to school here. We literally go to school here. Hey guys,
you'll definitely see me,
welcome back to the vlog. Today's Friday. I'm at Vivian's house. I met my friend Isosa. That's how you say it, right?
Yeah.
And we're about to play Uno, and I'm having a lot of fun right now.
She's drunk, though.
Don't say that on YouTube. Are you mad? I would never drink. I don't promote underage drinking.
I hope she's not gonna post that. And she is.
Everybody have a great night.
She lies to all her subscribers on YouTube.
What the talking about?
Yeah, me and my friends, all we do is take pictures and go to brunch. This is just a damn lie. Every single weekend they're blacked out. Oh.
No, guys, I just want to understand why Destiny doesn't like chin chin, but she likes stockfish. It's not making sense to me in my brain.
Taste buds are
it's not understanding.
She is a child, an immature child.
Stockfish. One that would go and marinate it in its own water where it smells. It smells. And I'll eat it up.
You are mentally
I'll eat it up.
Yo, she don't like malt. She don't like malt.
I don't like malt either.
It's very sugary.
Malt
The
is
older
nasty.
I get,
What?
And make the rules as I go. And for me when I come home.
Jasmine's car right, let me take this off. I'm in Jasmine's car right now and we're on our way to the dollar store. So us and our friends are doing like a vision board making thing today. And so a whole bunch of people are gonna meet us at Jasmine's new apartment. She's an independent woman. She says she don't live in the dorm. So we're about to go get like little craft supplies and stuff from the dollar store, and then we're gonna meet our friends at her apartment. So I'll see you guys when we get there. Guys, we're in Jasmine's apartment. It is so nice. Jasmine's grown. She said she's not like us. She's not a regular college freshman. It's so nice. I literally love it here. I'm never leaving. I told Jasmine I'm moving in. The lighting is everything. Like, imagine me sitting down filming my what's in my bag on my very nice couch. This place is so nice. And so we're waiting for everybody else to get here. We just bought like a whole bunch of candy because Jasmine and I always end up going to the dollar store every time. Yep. Buying more chocolate that we don't need. So I'll talk to you guys when everybody else gets here. Guys, everyone is here now. Yay!
Like, always in here. Oh, yeah.
Boo! Love Island or The Bachelor. So what I'm hearing is all the pool parties will be here from now on.
No, really.
No, bad.
And I don't care.
And I can't even swim. I will still come.
A bread holder. You don't want to break the counter. I took that from my mom.
Y'all, there's my vision board so far. Our food guy here. This is lo mein with dumplings, just like mixed lo mein. I'm watching a YouTube video. Everybody's over there. Super cute.
In the show, I've always loved Jane Austen. Agency.
Okay, now everyone smile in this direction. Jasmine! Yes, you're freaking in it, Destiny. Yeah. Peace in the bag, LOL. Guys, it's literally like 3 a.m. I'm still here. We're presenting vision boards now.
Yes. I put a lot of inspirations, you know. My biggest thing this year is confidence, you know, that mental working on myself. So period. So that's mine.
It's like anyway, but then I want to thought my relationships. That's why there's a cross in the middle of the hands, you know?
Amen. Always.
Again, intentional, and then I want to work out more. I want to write more. I want to prosper some talented, like a bunch of other stuff.
Yes.
And